we present you the North Animal Everyday Tactical Pen. Features include emergency window breaker. When you need it, just break the glass and escape. Self-defense. If you get attacked, pick up tactical pen from your pocket and defend yourself. Torch. Use it during the night to find what you want. Bottle opener. Just choose your drink and open it. Screwdriver. Inserting or removing screws. Pen. Write it anywhere you need it. Catch your reward, and please share it with your friends on Facebook and Instagram.